So this is the final output what you are going to get. So you no need of any paid website. You can use this website in free platform of TagMango. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, we will learn how to create a storefront in free TagMango account. Storefront itself is a mini website. Here you can arrange your courses, bundles like memberships, your products. Here you don't need of any code. It's very easy to create and publish. Friends, this is my storefront. We have buy now. If you click on directly here, it will have a link to some other payment page. It is redirected to Amazon. This is my free account in TagMango. In the left side, we have page builder. Under the page builder, we have storefront. Just click on that one and edit storefront in the right side. You will get one environment like this. So friends, just click on the add new section. We have three types of facilities we have. One is banner. Let us see what is banner. So mention the name of the title. Let us assume it is a courses. So under the courses, we should add the, so friends, it is asking the slide. So add the slide, then enter the valid URL that it is mentioning. So we can mention that URL. Similarly, we can add another slide. So friends, we have three courses. Now we will go for another section that is row. Let us assume it is a memberships. So under memberships, it is asking for add mango. Here we can add our existing courses. Let us take this one. So it is asking for register now here. Similarly, we can add another one. So friends, this is how to create a memberships as part of row. Now we can select the list, view the title. Bundles also it is asking for the existing courses. So friends, we have total three options here. One is entirely redirecting like URLs. Remaining two options are connecting to the existing courses. So after giving this type of memberships, courses, or external links, you can preview your store here. So friends, these are the slides we have given there. So it is coming like this. So if you click on this one, please redirect to Amazon store. So friends, in the left side of your dashboard, we have page builder. Under this, we have storefront. Copy the link and paste here. So this is the final output what you are going to get. So we have created a storefront which acts as a website. So you no need of any paid website. You can use this website in free platform of TagMango. This is the beautiness of the TagMango. If you like this video, please give thumbs up and share the video for necessary ones. Thank you so much for watching the video. See you in the next video.